Hi, my name is Keshav of CSE Data Science. Today our topic was discovering documentation for Java container classes. First, now we are going to discuss about what are the Java containers. Vectors. A class vector represents a dynamically resizable array. Unlike Java, the C++ has the class must be provided with a template parameter that describes the element type. Vector int A, vector double B of 10. Initially 10 elements. Like arrays and strings, vectors in C++ do not check for out-of-range index values. Now we are going to discuss about comparison of vector methods in C++, and Java. For creation, vector C, vector T v of int size, or vector T v of size and initial value, or vector T with v of old vector. In Java, simply by writing new class and vector. In C++, the element access was v of index. In Java, element at of index. In C++, the vector method is front and back. In Java, it was first and last element. In C++, size, empty, resize, and so on like that. You can see the comparison of the vector methods in C++ and Java for a few minutes. Containers. Linked list allow insertions and removals from the both the front and back of the container. Insertion and removals from the middle are performed in a constant time rather than the time required by the vector data type. DQ. DQ can be thought of a pair of vectors placed back to back, moving opposite directions. Permits efficient insertion at the either end but slower linear insertion in the middle. More space efficient structure than a list. Set maintains elements in order that thereby permits very efficient time insertion, removal, and enclosure tests for the values. Internally implemented by the balanced binary tree. Map an indexed collection similar to the Java dictionary or hash table, parameterized by two template arguments, key type and value type. Operations are implemented with a data type called pair, which is a key value or combination. Stack and queue. In STL, there are adapters built on top of underlying data type, such as vector or linked list. Adapter, a software component that changes the interface to other component. Priority queue, built as an adapter on the top of the another container, typically a vector or a list. Two template arguments are used with the priority queue underlying the container and a function object that is used to compare the elements. Example of iterators. Int sum is equal to 0. And here is the code of Java. We can see the example of iterators. Iterators. No need to cast the object to the proper type after it has been removed from the container. Container can store primitive types and do not need to the wrapper class necessary by the Java version. To create the iterator, the first requires specifying the container type. Iterators must be manipulated in pairs with beginning and ending iterator, designed to be equivalent and compatible with the conventional pointers. Can be used to denote the specific value. A pair of iterators can be used to describe a range of values. And here you can see a small demonstration of the iterators. Iterators produced by the containers often come in pairs. The beginning iterator is written by the function begin and ending iterator by the function end. Template. Three requirements for an iterator. Can be compared for the equality to another iterator equal when the point to the same position but otherwise are not equal to be the can be dereferenced with the star operator to obtain the value being denoted by the iterator can be used as a target of an assignment in order to change the value being held by the container can be incremented so that it refers to the next element in the sequence using operator plus plus. Larger than 12 lists in iterator found find if a list dot end larger than class char compare. Sorry, here is the code for Java to an iterator.